The Advent e-learning platform makes it easy to search for assignments by following these simple steps. From the Advent e-learning homepage, select the Search button. From the Assignment List page, you can select the field that best applies to your intended search and enter your information. Some fields allow you to broaden or narrow potential search results by choosing whether you'd like results to equal or match exactly. Starts with the characters you enter, and contains, or has the characters you enter anywhere in the phrase in your criteria. Select the Search button to see the results. To expand any of the search results, click the More link. If a student was assigned more than one unit, it will be noted here under Course. To view an individual unit, click the More link and select one to work on. If you don't find the assignment you're looking for, you can expand your search by using broader criteria. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you need additional information or have questions, we're always here for you. Just go to adventeelearning.com/support to connect with Advent customer service.